The theory of Clay is that growth is fundamentally a creative exercise and it changes all the time. The best growth teams in the world necessarily adopt their go-to-market tactics, the people they target, the message they use, the channels they hit over time. So back in the day, the business model of acquiring data for go-to-market was you would sign a 50K annual contract with ZoomInfo. You would get a set of data, and that was a fixed amount of data that you then had to transform into sales and marketing activities that drove pipeline. Clay's approach was, instead of providing you one database that you pay a fixed amount for, we're going to provide you 100 different databases of all kinds of different data points, and we're going to make it a consumption-based model so that you can try all these different approaches. And the people that felt that pain the most, Clay's initial customers, were actually cold outbound agencies, which is a terrible customer niche to get started with for many reasons. They're extremely price sensitive, they blip in and out, they're very small. But of everyone in the world, they feel the pain the most of having a fixed set of data to go after, and in many cases, very poor tooling to execute on campaigns with. And so these customers, when they hit upon Clay, which allowed them to access go-to-market data in a usage-based way and provided them automation tools to rapidly try different types of campaigns, it really stuck with them. And so Clay's pricing aligned with the value that those initial customers got from the product. Then as we've scaled, we also became very attracted to growth teams at young startups, seed through Series B, who also feel a lot of pressure to grow or die. And then now Clay is working with enterprise teams. In growth, when you hit on a campaign that works well, you then need to scale it. And so in addition to providing you flexibility to try lots of different types of data and buy one data set here and one data set there and turn it over, Clay then also gives you the ability to scale up data and people and contacts that you're using for your go-to-market over time. And then finally, as you scale the go-to-market efforts of your organization, you then encounter all of these system needs. So you might start by just sending emails in Gmail, then you use a sequencer, then you use Salesforce, then eventually most of our enterprise customers store all their go-to-market data in a data warehouse. And so our product includes caps on the number of people that you can reach out to at any one time, and then also integrations that are gated at different feature levels, which acknowledge the technical complexity that grows as you scale your go-to-market. And so that's a story of how we developed and aligned our pricing with the value that our customers see.